Today on this Jeep Renegade guy, we're talking about sunglasses, but more importantly, where to put sunglasses in your Jeep Renegade. So if your Jeep Renegade is anything like mine, you'll notice that it doesn't have a spot up here like a lot of cars. No spot anywhere else. Nope, still no spot. So what you end up doing is you take the sunglasses off and then you just throw them right in there. And that's not nearly adequate to keep them safe, keep them scratch free. Hardly an elegant solution to the problem. But that's okay, because today we've got a solution. I've been searching on the internet and I came across this sunglasses holder straight from Amazon Prime. So let's pop it open and see what it looks like. So here you can see car glasses for Renegade 2015, 16, and 17. Comes in a simple little box. And if we go ahead and open this here, you'll see exactly what we got going on. So if we pull it out, what you'll end up seeing is a pretty cool little glasses case. So this glasses case actually is going to replace the driver's side emergency grab handle. So I never use this in my car, and I figured it's pretty much a perfect spot to put a new glasses case holder. So let me show you how to do it, and we'll get started. So it's actually going to be fairly simple here. All you're going to end up needing is a flat blade screwdriver. And what we're going to do is you'll actually see that there's a little slot to put the flat blade screwdriver in, which is going to pull that open. Do it on the other side here too. Pull that open. And then now, this will actually pop right out of the headliner. So that's the grab handle. And by pulling those little plastic tabs open, it opens up this little clamp that clamps it right into kind of the roll cage or the headliner of the car. So now with our new sunglasses holder, basically what you're going to end up seeing is it's going to have sort of a similar function here. So this is going to clip right into place, and then it's going to come with a small little pry tool. So if you didn't have a screwdriver like I did, this will be helpful to be able to install it. And if we actually pop this open, both of these little tabs are actually what's going to be able to keep it closed. So now to put the new one in, we're going to place it right into the same spot. Basically it's going to be closed up like this. So one of these sides is spring-loaded and the other side is not. So I suggest you take the spring-loaded side first and pop that right in. The non-spring-loaded side, pop that into place. And then at this point, you should be able to slide the little locking push pins right into place. And what these do is they lock it to where this isn't going to come out. And then now, get this all figured out here. Perfect. Opens and closes. And like that, we've got it installed right into the ceiling. So you can go ahead and take your sunglasses straight off, place them into the padded sunglasses holder, and like that, you've got a little spot for your sunglasses. So overall, this actually seems to be pretty decent quality. So it's spring-loaded on one side, like I said. The other side it's just kind of locked into place, closes right up. It's pretty good fit and finish, all things considered, and it looks pretty OEM. I mean, this is, yeah, I mean, that's pretty nice. So thanks for watching this Jeep Renegade guy video. I hope you enjoyed the video about how to secure your sunglasses in your Jeep Renegade. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you think about this modification and whether or not it would be a helpful thing for you in your own Jeep. Go ahead also, click that subscribe button and be tuned in for videos like this into the future. There's a lot of modifications that are going to come for the Jeep Renegade this year, and I want you to join me for that ride.